and chips are my favorite snack. Can taste the saltiness on the chip. Let's get the review going. Let it rip. Food review. Alright guys, so it's been a while since I did my Krispy Kreme review. Now, I saw a Twix cookie bar donut, and I realized I had to share. Would you look at that? The way it's shaped inside that Twix bar. Perfection. Let's get this started. You see that Twix bar inside? This is a very interesting taste over here. As you can see, the shape, the color. Let me get you a better look. So as you know, Krispy Kreme does different themes, like the Oreo. But now, this is the Twix bar. And it doesn't even look like a donut. You see the shape, the glaze on the bottom. Let's get another bite. Ooh. See that gooey caramel in the shape of that Twix bar? This is something unique to the Krispy Kreme franchise. They never, ever disappoint me.
Alright, so on to that Twix cookie bar review here at Krispy Kreme. You know, it's kind of funny. I've heard people, employers, tell me personally that they wish the line for people wanting to work was as long as the line as people waiting for Krispy Kreme donuts. So, I'm going to give that a strong 9.9 out of 10. The Twix, the size, the glaze, all together. Go over to Krispy Kreme right here. Go get yourself a Twix cookie bar donut. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And thanks for coming out.